Today I am going to be showing you how to send link in Monopoly mobile game. It is a pretty easy thing to do, so let's get started. First, open the Monopoly game in your mobile phone. Then click on the friends option at the below right corner. And as you can see, three options: add friends, timeline, and leaderboard. You have to select the add friends option, and there you see three options down below: the contacts, Facebook, and invite. You can send link of your Monopoly game by clicking on the third invite option and then click on the orange option, invite this code through WhatsApp or any other application, and then you can easily invite your friends, and when they join you will also get the reward.